In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use 3D functions to quickly and easily summarize data across sheets in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a workbook that has a different sheet with data for each month of the year. And you want to get a total that summarizes data across the entire year. Now, one thing you can do is you can do equal sum and then grab each worksheet individually. But this can be very tedious, especially if you have 20, 30, 40 different sheets you want to summarize. A much quicker and easier way is using a 3D function. To do this, we equal sum, open parentheses, then first to grab the first number that you want to add in the sum. Now from here, hold down shift and then grab all the other worksheets that you want to sum across. So all the way through December. And close parentheses. As you can see, this got the sum of cell B1 in sheets Jan through December. One thing to note is that it's important that your data is structured in the same in each different sheet. So as you can see, January, February, March, May, from a data perspective at least, it's the same sort of structure. So the total will then work. And I can even get this and drag it down. As you can see, now I have the sum of cells B2, B3 across these different sheets. But let's just say I needed to add a new sheet, right? Let's just say there's these months of the year, but there's an adjustment. For example, of $100 for each region that needed to be made after the fact. So to add this to the total, here all I have to do is grab this adjustment sheet and then put it within these sheets right here. So look at North, for example, it's 34,581. I'll grab this adjustment sheet and put it within the range right here. And now it's 34,681. So as you can see, it increased by 100 by having it be by putting the adjustment within the range. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Hopefully it'll save you time when it comes to summarizing data. And if it did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.